part 18 of chapter 4. Chelebi Emir Arif, related as informed by his mother, Fatima Khatun, that when Shamsuddin was thus made a martyr, his executioners threw his corpse down a well. Sultan Veled saw Shams in a dream. I was informed by him where the body would be found. Sultan Veled went therefore at midnight with some friends, recovered the corpse, washed it, and privately buried it in the college grounds by the side of the founder. And sometimes the situation politically disallows the proper public funeral ceremony, but as long as there's believers that have gathered together, are sometimes an absentee and that sort of stuff. Like you can offer absentee funeral prayers for the people being martyred in the various wars and persecutions at pretty much any time nowadays, which is horrible enough in itself, but it's a practice to, I don't know, maybe get used to.